AI is transforming every industry, but only few companies have clear roadmap. Should you build your own chatbot, automate process, train your own LLM models? The best part, you don't have to start from scratch. Microsoft has already mapped the journey. Hi, this is Murli Dhulam, founder of ITS Code Private Limited, architect trainer in the area of DevSecOps, Azure, AWS, Kubernetes with AI, ML, IoT integration. Till now, I have trained more than 5,000 plus students and 1,000 plus students working with top MNCs. Now, let us explore the initial stage of AI transformation using Cloud Adoption Framework. Let us see that. AI adoption is not a just tech decision, it's a business transformation. Most of the organizations jump into AI without aligning with business goals. So here you can see challenges, AI adoption challenges. Models get deployed without proper data strategies. Also, missing compliance related governance. It may create compliance as well as security issues. And also spending money without scalable infrastructure. These are all challenges we can see that. We can address all these challenges with Microsoft AI Cloud Adoption Framework. Now, where to begin? So Microsoft providing clear roadmap for these strategies. So let us see. So now let us discuss why AI need framework. So just now we discussed we need scalability, governance, as well as integration. To address all these scenarios, we need detailed framework. Cloud adoption framework, it gives you strategic as well as technical guidance. And also just see it contains 6 stages. So let us see those stages also here. So why you are adapting AI, and second one plan. So how to build your AI roadmap, and after that ready, right? So you need to prepare your environment as well as data pipelines. Also adapt, govern, manage. Let us see this documentation also here. So here you can see this is the official documentation, AI strategy and AI plan and AI ready, AI readiness and as well as AI foundation. After that, you can see other 3 stages: govern AI, manage AI, secure AI. So also bottom line, we need to make sure responsible AI. So whatever solutions you need to follow, responsible AI principles. Also official documentation we can refer. So AI checklist, AI adoption step, also application AI technology, whether it is startup or enterprise, based on your environment you can see whether it is startup company or enterprise company, right? This is the checklist you can see, 6 stages checklist. So each and every stage you can see that. Before moving to the next step, first we need to understand AI capabilities. What type of solutions you are looking for, whether it is generative AI solution or non-generative AI solutions. Example, let us see. Create new content based on the patterns learned from existing data. This is the one scenario. Second one, predictive analysis as well as forecasting, right? Data-driven solutions, right? These 2 scenarios you can see. Example, let us say generative AI, ChatGPT, Delay, right? GitHub Copilot. These are all things are there. Similar way, non-generative AI, Microsoft Azure Machine Learning, Google Cloud AI, Amazon Forecast. These are all tools. Next steps, let us see technical assessment for generative AI Azure. So by using this assessment, we can understand our team members or organization whether they are ready to develop and run applications in the AI with Azure production environments. So let us start assessment also here. So just click this assessment. So technical assessment for generative AI, Azure. So these are all different interests are there. Just see technical assessment, AI readiness and strategy, right? These are all sections you can see. Each strategy will address so many queries. Let us click some answers here. You see, okay. So here we need to answer each and every question so that we can understand. They will suggest based on your queries. They will suggest some roadmap also. Okay. You see, to what extent your organization familiar with AI? Okay. So just select some answers. Let us select some sample answers as of now. To what extent your organization familiar with potential applications of AI with your industry? Right. In this way, you can answer your questions here. Right. So once it is done, it will give you a detailed roadmap. also suggestions as well as roadmap. Next step, we need to understand shared responsibility in the cloud. Similar to cloud, let us see AI as well. So just see here, if you observe cloud shared responsibility model, just see SaaS, PaaS, IaaS on premises, right? So this color Microsoft, and this color customer, and this color shared responsibilities, right? So just see on premises, everything handled by customers, and just see these are all roles you can see, right? Physical host, network, data center, right? These are all roles you can see that responsibilities as well as different partners you can see that. Right? Similar way, let us see our AI shared responsibility also. Within AI, what is a shared responsibility model? Let us see here. Okay. So here you can see, right? So here you can see Microsoft, and this time they placed model deployment and shared responsibility. Here, these places shared responsibility model, and these are all areas customer will take care of that. Okay, so here they mentioned IaaS, right, and PaaS, Azure AI, and SaaS you can say Copilot, Azure Copilot, GitHub Copilot you can say, right. This one you can say shared responsibility model. Microsoft Azure providing Azure landing zone for whenever you're trying to onboard any resources in the cloud. If you're trying to set up new environment, they will give you best practices in terms of connectivity, network, and subscription, isolation, all these things they are giving landing zone. You can see this is a landing zone you can see. Similar way, whenever you're trying to onboard your AI solutions, right? Here they're suggesting us to use so landing zones, right? Azure, this is the basic architecture. Azure OpenAI chart basic architecture, and same one you can see a landing zone also. This is a landing zone. Just see, this is the landing zone, right? Just see here. So here you can see this is the hub network, and then just see Azure Foundry here, workload resources. Here you can place workload resources and subscription vending provision resources. Also here they placed management network, web application firewall, all these things here they place. Azure AI has two concepts, hub as well as projects. Hub is the centralized one, and projects dedicated resources. Now let us see one of the use case, Air India Airlines digital transformation with Azure AI. So here you see challenges. 20 million customers across the globe network. Also, same time they're facing customer service issues. So here they use this scenario stages, evaluate, implement, as well as optimize to adapt AI solutions. So here they used AI chatbot to accelerate 24/7 customer support, also intelligent search to fetch information and policies. And third one, so process automation to streamline booking as well as check-in also. So here you can see some their application. Just see there is an application called chatbot application AI.g, which was implemented by AI here. Now let us see technical implementation details also. They use your OpenAI service as well as data security, data encryption, all these things, as well as integration. Till now we discussed Azure AI Adoption Framework strategies. So next video, let us try to implement this scenario step by step. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe, and see you in the next video.